Good morning, children. In the last class, we had studied about the length, its addition, multiplication, subtraction. After that, we also did about the weight, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Today, we'll be doing about the capacity. Let us start the class, and I want you all to open your mathematics textbook to page number 131. Okay, children. Capacity, volume, capacity or volume, it's measuring and comparing. Okay, the amount of liquid a container can hold is called the capacity. See, whatever the limit of the glass, you can say the limit of any container or anything is called the capacity. It might be glass, it might be a utensil, it might be a mug, it might be a jar, it might be a big vessel, whatever it is. The capacity or the limit which that particular object has is called the capacity. You can measure the capacity in liters and milliliters. Okay, liquid things are usually measured in liters and milliliters. We can use different equipments to measure capacity. They are measuring cylinder, measuring spoons, measuring jugs, and measuring beakers. See, you can see here all this. We all use this for measuring of any liquid thing. Okay, we use government approved standard measures. They are given below. Government has approved certain measurement rules for measuring anything. It is of half liter, 1 liter, 1.5 liter, 2 liter, and 5 liter mugs. We use them for all the our daily uses like milk, oil, and all. Okay, children. The standard unit of measuring capacity is liter. See, the standard unit of measuring length is meter, and the standard unit of measuring weight is kilogram. In the same way, the standard unit of measuring capacity is liter. Milliliter is a smaller unit. That means liter becomes the bigger one. Okay, children. Read each graduated cylinder and write the amount of liquid each cylinder holds. Be sure to include ml in your answer. See, in the first picture, what is the measurement here? It is 500 ml. On the starting, you can see ml has been mentioned. Okay, in the second figure, how much it is? It is 800 milliliter or 800 ml. In the third one, it is 200 ml. Deep part, it is 250. See, between 200 and 300 there is one more line which is the 50 indicator. So it is 250 milliliter. The last part here is 800 milliliter. Okay, please turn to the next page 132. In this page, we can see capacity addition and subtraction. See, children, this is the same pattern. See, what all we did in the length, what all we did in weight, the same pattern continues for the capacity also. Okay, children. So, without wasting our time, let us go to the first sum. See, find the sum or difference to have been done for you. It is liter is the bigger version, milliliter is the smaller version. We have to add the liter to liter and milliliter to milliliter. Whatever it may be, it may be addition, multiplication, subtraction, division, whatever it is, we have to do it in the same pattern. The first sum here is 8 liter 630 milliliter plus 6 liter 121 milliliter. If you add that, you will get 14 liters 751 milliliter. In the second one, it is a subtraction sum. First one is the liter part, the second one is the milliliter part. While solving, always start from your right hand side. Okay, so in that ways it becomes 4 liter 586 milliliter. Okay, now I'll be doing some sums for you, but the rest part whichever I leave will be for your homework, and that you have to practice a lot, children, because we are having exams very soon. So I want you all to practice lot of sums. Doing all the sums is quite easy, but I want you all to learn all the sums. So I'll be doing some 2 to 3 sums. Rest all you have to do your homework. Okay. Now here, the C part, liter and milliliter, 17 liter 357 milliliter plus 21 liter 424 milliliter. Now if you add that, we are going to get 12 liter, 12 plus 6, 5 plus 2, 7, 8, 3 plus 4 plus 3 is 7. Okay, 7 plus 1 is 8, 2 plus 1 is 3. So answer is 38 liter 782 milliliter. Okay, now I'll do the sum for you. Okay children, just pay attention here. Children, sorry, there is one small mistake. It has to come 11. 781. Okay. Now coming to the minus sum. 74 minus 283 and 814 minus 303 liters and milliliters. Okay. The answer comes here. We are going to subtract the sum. The answer comes is 4 minus 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1 again. 8 minus 3 is 5. Okay. Now here 4 minus 3 is 1 and 7 minus 2 is 5. Now I have taught you this addition and subtraction. I want you all to do this one and this one as homework. These two will be your homework. Now here in the next part, find the sum and difference. I'll be solving these two sums. Okay. Here now we are going to do 8 liter 145 milliliter minus 2 liter 126 milliliter. Okay. The answer here is 15. Borrowed 1 from here, so it becomes 3. 15 minus 6 is 9 and 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0 and 8 minus 2 is 6. So the answer is 6 liters 19 milliliter. Okay children, here I want you all to do this one, B, C and D as your homework. This and this will be your homework again. Children, I'm giving you little more sums today for your practice so that you will feel easy to solve all the sums during your examinations. Okay. Now coming to this part, here there is again the same sum. See here intentionally they have given you so many sums so that you practice a lot children. Okay. Now we'll do this part. 6 plus 4 is 10. 8 plus 1 is 9. And 7 plus 1 is 8. 15 plus 5 plus 0 is 5. 1 plus 0 is 0. So the answer is 15 liters 890 milliliter. Is this sum clear children? Now here we'll do one more sum of minus. 4 minus 1 is 3. 6 minus 4 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. So the answer will be 3 liter 223 milliliter. Now children, here again you will be doing C and D as your homework. That is 99 liter 403 milliliter, 33 liter 1 milliliter and 314 liter 426 milliliter plus 263 liter 319 milliliter. This will be your homework. So in the sum and difference I have given you 1 2 3 4 5 6 as your homework sum for sum and differences. 6 sums you will be solving. Okay. Now moving to the next part, here we are going to do the multiplication and division of capacity. The first sums have been, these are the same examples which I have given you. Here let us see. Here as I told you earlier, the pattern goes for same, maybe it length, maybe it weight, maybe it be capacity. The procedure will be the same always. Okay children. So Now let us see here. 2 liter 14 milliliter into 7. So that means 2 liter into 7 is equals to 14 liter. Okay. And 14 milliliter into 7 is 98 milliliter. Okay. In the same way, the second sum also tells 15 liter 35 milliliter divided by 5. 50 liter divided by 5, that answer comes 10 liter. 35 ml divided by 5, the answer comes 7 milliliter. Now I'll be doing the sum for you, just see here. Okay, the sum is 17 liter 242 milliliter into 3. 17 liter into 3 and 242 milliliter into 3. Okay, now if you know the 17 table, it is very good, children, or else you can do the multiplication. 7 3s are 21, 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 2 is 5. So the answer comes 51 liter 242 into 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6, plus 1 is 7. The answer comes 726 milliliter. Okay, as it is multiplications, here they have written the product. In the same way, you should write product is equal to 51 liter 726 milliliter. Okay, now I'll do one division sum also for you. See here, the sum is 63 liter 36 milliliter divided by 3. 66 liter divided by 3 and 36 milliliter divided by 3. Now if you do the division here, see, 63 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6. Minus comes here. If you take this 3 down, 3 1s are 3. So the quotient is 20. Quotient is 21. Here it is 21 liter. Now doing the second part, 36 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3. If you take the 6 down, 3 2s are 6. The answer comes as 12 milliliter. As it is division, you have to write it as quotient. Quotient is equal to, what is the solution you have to write, children? 21 liter and 12 milliliter. Is this sum clear? Now children, as you have learnt already these concepts, I want you to do E, F, G, H. All these 4 will be your homework. Okay, this will be your homework, and along with that you have to do these part also. Find the product and quotient and solve in your notebook. This all 4 sums also is going to be your homework. Okay children, see, that means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, here 8 and here 6, almost 14 to 15 sums I have given you for your today's homework. I want you all to do this sums for your practice so that for the exams you will not face any difficulty. Is it clear, children? Hope you all have understood this part, and please practice all the sums of length, weight and capacity for your exams, because anything out of this may come for your exam, children. Please don't trouble your parents. Study well because exams are fast coming, and take care of yourself. Bye. Thank you.